ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakambnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Ha ka Jingïaid Lynti ka baladap South Post Snem ka Fashion Society Shalong ka la say Ngut ki Thei Bhabriew bat ki balanang pentibit shushu yaladi ban kiu shakirin san yakob ki balalong omtang hapo ka than chitay lamingi henrei wat hagari India. U chairman jangga Fashion Society Shalong uba Aldous Maulong ha ka Jingïaid bat kilat patay kubor ulayatu baka society kala plelat ru omtang ya ki samla kan Thei henrei wat ya ki kan Thei ki balasyong kurim ha ka ba ki laban penpau ya ka sap ka phong jongki halo rensan hadien baka society kala penlong ru ya ka rensan yakob supermom pageant kum ka jing play baka jing im jongki kam dei ban syukut tang ha ki sau kan ro jong ka yeng shedja. Hagani ka Jingïaid kilat patay kubor kilayo lar ruban kelibat pertau na ki kattu kani ki samla kan Thei ki balayo ka Jingïaid naga Fashion Society Shalong bad yo phong ya ka pansngat ki ba kentup ya ka samla chivalry lartang ka bala job ya ka na Miss Shalong 2023 ka samla Jolene Lengdo ka bala job ya ka na Miss Cherry Blossom ka samla Hazel Mukim ka bala job ya ka na Best Traditional Model bat kentup ru ya ka kong Genevieve Pala kalong kmi kabala don Ngut ki kon kabala job ya ka na Miss Supermom bat ka kong Evangel Lartang kalong kmi kabala don Ngut ki kon kabala job Dangshan ya ka na Mrs. Northeast India 2023.
One impediment is obstacle is funds. If we have the funding, we can do a lot because we've been doing pageants for the last 40 years. Incidentally, this year is our 40th year anniversary, so we feel very good about it, and it can only grow bigger and better. Quote which was quoted by one of the girls: "Inside every woman is a queen." So it is up to us to bring out that queen in each woman. And stereotype means you only look at the the skin or maybe just the height, the figure, but then it goes beyond that. It goes where brains are concerned, where character is concerned, where empathy, sympathy plays a role on your everyday life. So it's an embodiment of a true woman in the true sense. Government, we can't really get anywhere because the departments that are connected with this is like the youth affairs, sports, and then arts and culture, tourism, because it attracts a lot of tourists. These are the sericulture and weaving. These are the connected departments. They do help. Even if they have positive funds, they will try to make an effort to help us somehow. And that to the business houses, individual sponsors, well-wishers. It only gets better because we are getting a lot of support from the government, from the people, well-wishers. And we find that it's become very popular and it's a big platform. Like you heard the girls say, they go on to do bigger events in the Northeast region, all India region, and hopefully even abroad, because some of the kids, they have the height and they have the personality to get there. We did a lot of brainstorming. We find that a lot of single mothers, they have the ability to talk, walk, they have the beauty, they have the spirit. So why not give them a platform? And then because they are not just single moms who've been abandoned, they have taken upon themselves to have a career and also maintain a balance with the family in the domestic front. So that makes them superheroes. So we titled it as Supermom. For Miss Shillong, we always have like Miss Small is beautiful. For those who don't make it, they don't have the criteria. We've had Mrs. Shillong. We've had plus size for those who are healthy. Then so on and so forth. We have these other titles which are going side by side along with the Miss Shillong to give a platform for everybody. So I will not let you know. For next year we have a surprise. Let it be a surprise. But the media will be informed beforehand so that we'll gear up. It'll be something good. Our journey, which started in 1983, when we began this, it was more like an informal event, so there was no grooming. We found that the girls need grooming because they come from different backgrounds. So the level playing field means that everybody should have an opportunity to be groomed, to be taught, how to walk, how to talk, and then even how to get over stage fright. As you have heard, some of the contestants who you interviewed earlier, they were introverts, they were shy people. Now, this part of the pageant where they get grooming for almost 2 months brings them out of that shell, like they said, comfort zone. And they stand on stage, they don't see the crowd as hostile or menacing. They see them as friendly, cheering for them, and they give their best efforts, choosing the best words, framing the best sentences, putting on the best smile. And it goes with the costumes, accessories, how they walk. And the grooming is not only just about talking and walking, it's also about personality development. Ultimately, they have this leadership quality, how to face an interview when they go for jobs later. So that puts them in a good stead and advantage.
Ting jang kade Hazel Mukim, kerta jang di kanyo, but nga shong saha not my cream. De nga play ha BSF class 11. Kipa pamchwa, abin kong nga shimbintai haka Miss Cherry Blossom 2021. Nga Bhabriew as a Miss Cherry Blossom, second result 2021. Di heading kata kidan ki bun fashion shows jong himen jangai Bhabriew Mukim. Di ki bun ki wear ki agencies ki pakhat yanga baru kidan. Di tambah ting dang amlat nga ong ben amar pangadang lit school dang play society Shillong hi ka groom bhai groom bhai jang kadi Jolene and Ceiling do pat ngade arpo Snem karata ngalit pule ha St. Anthony's College sien ka baningkong ka banga le eki kumkiniki beauty pageant kade Snem jwa ahada apoa kata kade banga compete yene banga yale yaka Miss Shillong 2022 di nang tu hingas na kalong kumka jingkhang ba mo ki ong ban ngin ngatpli ya ka jingnang jonga jonga tip banga nang hakatu ka lan jonga jing imro nga kerteng chaiwri lata arpoi Snem kerta but nga let school ha Shillong Commerce College but nga shong sa ha nongra nongpre kong ete nga la let ya kanika Miss Shillong hi 2022 tang banga kham jom nga poi top 10 but nga yo e subtitle Miss Beautiful Smile te nakata hi nga yo confident ma te nakata hi banga la le Miss Shillong 2022 nga le byang saka Miss Shillong 2023 ka ba day menta usnam te nakatu hi nga sa job they na ki practice but determination so ro agar tang evangel artang but nga job ka Mrs. Notice nga shong sa ha nongra nong padeng but nga de but nga doni we ko nga de bun ki pageant ningkong te nga le haka 8000 khatra ya ka Miss Shillong te nang tu nga le ka Miss Trendsetter ru te man hakani ki dang spinlong shen da fashion society Shillong ya ka Miss Supermom te nga le ka Miss Supermom ru but hadian jang kata nga sa le ka Mrs. Nice namar kadi kata himo ko we ba ngam kwa de bangan ba kata ka jingram ne ka jingjob jonga kan pensange nga kwa bangan dang tur shakmat ngandang ye le ben te nga thumu bangan de saya ka Mrs. India
Okay.
Kibun ki ba I siam nga khamtam le ki bana yeng hoi me ipara jonga but kidan ru katu katni ki perlok ki ba ju I siam nga namar pa maki rukum jo ma ki i ka sab nga dan ki ong banga long confident e te hoi ki diga maki nga keteng Genevieve pala nga te lai pusau Snem kerta nga shong asa ang Shillong like ko hasha like ko ta pete nga de ikimi jong ngot ki khon te nga de nga job ka di ka Supermom 2023 haja lai sorry kani ka de ka sien ka baning kong do ya naman pa ngam paju mlien ban ki hakum kini ki stage bahe mo
Te naka fashion society Shillong pada ngalet ya audition nang dapat dengan syak select hang tu ka top 10 poi te nga kham poi perkhat ken long ngan poi hadu ka ni ka jing job ken tong ba ka de naka ka jing trash tom jonga ka jing long minot jonga bangan wan haki grooming session ka bala ai naka fashion society Shillong te kala ya rap shibon phayanga bang bangan long hadu kan ni kan mata nama ngarong ade Bhabriew ba baleran ba bangam ju kham da nang hi panya ya keren kum dia kan mo para Bhabriew kum dia kalong kapen long rantian kan nga long leran ba beten hadian suki pede kum ta nga wan kini ki grooming classes na bala ai ke jing hikai kum no ban pin i la dia kum no ban long kum no ba fin long kum ta kan mo ban long song khia kan kum ka long kami kita ke jing hikai para khot ni yo te de na kita nga thai nga sapoi ha u ni kan puat bang hadu dengan job ya kan ka crowd kan
haka jing im lani haka im lang sa lang jingi ni bun ni ki eke da pinile bharu ki don hi ki ban ong la dan ni asni ru ki don hi ki ban ong ti kawe ka bangan ong ikhna samlang ka de ba ni de ban nang la na la di ni de ban tip ya ka burom ya la jong ni de ban nang hi na la di but ki jing kran tikin bun ben da pile bhale le te kanang hamboni ki jing kran le kan ni ka de tangka sedang namar ba kum Bhabriew hi ni hab hi ban ya chika thong kama kawe hadin kawe ka jing yale na kawe ka jing yale pan ha ka jing emde tang ha ki beauty pageants ha ka jing ya Lynti jungiro man lakasni we ni de ban tur saplang ki jing job la ni ki jing ramru ni de ban ya de saplang
ka kani ka modeling ka alam ka career yang so na do man bor man chwang a shit smut tanat ban yat hayeng an pong heels for chong yat tu ngapan email dia tang shu practice hayeng tu dang lat bor dia ngapet ru ki videos ki pageants ki walks fashion shows ban ong haki pageants ngam juda kwap raman participate nomor nga long like very nervous danga long speak with the public kom to nga long nervous ha especially the dan cameras ru dia ke bang long confidence nga di tang bashu ya kom to kren like mukte kom ka fashion show with
aning kong te kumbang ong le ran biet bha ngam ju da kren Bhabriew ngam ju socialize bha bat ki Bhabriew tang ba nga shet internet ba ya ihman jonga ba shile beauty pageant mo tenga shet internet ba i kren te nakata hi nga buat ki Lynti ki jong i te ya chakma te banga job ya kanika Miss Shillong 2023 long kapen kwa yang bangan yat sa shakmat sa national level kum ki Miss Northeast Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast long kwa ha bangan yat shakmat mo tina capek hinang ni shakmat nga try te ngayu i bha ba ngi ki para samla ngi long ngi shate sa khom bha mo hayang ro te tang ba nga kwa ba kin yat shakmat kin pursue ya ki dreams jong ki ba ki dan ha mensiam jong ki long baki kwa ma ki te nga kwa bakin yat be chakmat wat num tiam wat num randin nga te wat langam la ban translate ha khasi nga la hi da ka phareng te ka answer jonga ka de ba I believe everyone is a queen it's not about the crown but it's about how you carry yourself and make everyone a queen I want to be a queen kami ka day pa ngi hapay ban ngim day ban kan ran din yala di dang ngi ho nga tip ya kata ngi bon ki jing bon ki jing mo bangi mat ha ka Lynti ya jungi tang ba ngi day ban mi sha khmat mo la da fi ban ran din kam ngim num poi sha ka ta ka thong ba fi thang tin
kawe ka khubor bang kwa ban aya ki long kami ka day ba wat num ailat ba ka jingkran jong ki Bhabriew ne ka jingkran jong no kan pen sange phi mo na ka ka ba pithrang ngakwa ba kin yang bat kin le ka ba ki dan hapo men siam lada ki dan ya ka sab ban shat ne ka sab ban ruai ne mdei tang ha ka beauty pageant mo
ngakwa bakin yale ba ya tu bakin ningkong te kadi ka jingyam dalam Lynti jong play te Bhabriew kadi ka jing thrang jong la di hin po mensiam
neki bhayi nangta neki parlok QE kata ka sab bangadan na try mo te ki khanyat ba yang akan ki push ba yang akan ban let ban pen i ka jing start ban pen i ka jing Bhabriew mo kata ke de bakong san hi haka rensan pen i mo kan kini ki pajen te ka dikatahi te ka Richmond akan ni ka jing pensyul dengan ka ding ka fashion society ru nama kala ai big ka bahep ha kan kata ka jing pensyul kan long ba fi de bentur ba kan chama dalam kum ro ni hap hi pan mat ni kita pro khoi tang ba kon tai dan hi ho nga la try man tai kan ni ka Mrs India World te nga la adapsen ki online registration ni pro khoi te kila khot ya ka audition, it'll be an online audition kan te kan sadon ka final kan duk te hatu te punai April 2024 te nga pasang ya kata ke te nga syukurmen ba la kan ban poi hatu kata ka thong mo kat ka platform hadu sa bar India long ha po India kan te dai Fashion Society Shillong kade ba khobei shibon bang hira pen wandol pen job ya kanika Lynti jong ni ko mangai long kami ba hoi ba iki samlaru te kade naka Fashion Society Shillong bangin sa longkum ni kan bangin sa shlor bangin sa pen mi bhagen ya ka sap ka phong jong te thank you so much Fashion Society Shillong
kum bakila ong kiwi mangaru kum juhi kadai ka ngam ai kum lemo ya paroki Bhabriew ka Fashion Society ba kila la ban penlong ini kum mangilong menta mangila la ban tip yala di ya ka bangi don kasam haladi ban don kum hakini ki jan line mo ban le iki beauty pageants tang katahi ban kum juru ya isa altas maulong ba la Tracy Tom ilong kumi godfather jani
kubli shibuan mo namar ba kadiga Fashion Society Shillong hi kabala yalam Lynti yanga namar ba ningkong du ngalas dang ru bat ka Fashion Society hi haka 8,000 khatpra bat ngalala ban poi hadu kan ka rensan kadai ru na benta ka Fashion Society Shillong ningkong tanga kwa ban ai kubli shishaya ka Fashion Society Shillong baki ai Lynti yangi hi khna samla bangin yad hakani ka lan mo kum kani ka pageant society pageant industry te nga kwa bakin continue ban inspire yangi ban ai lat yangi kum ki samla bangin le ikini
Eka Fashion Society Shillong klem kani ngam poiro shidosh kani like poyat ki fashion shows ni ki pageants shko ang kuplish